To solve a quadratic equation in standard form, use the quadratic formula. First, identify the values for a, b, and c as shown in the formula. A is the coefficient of the squared term, b is the coefficient of the linear term, and c is the constant term. So in this case, a is equal to 1, b is equal to -1, and c is equal to -2. Plug in these values into the formula. So here, b is -1, and b goes in here. A is 1, and c is -2, and a goes in here, which is also 1. Simplifying, we get 1 plus or minus 1, then -4 times -2 is +8, so we get 1 plus 8, and 2 in the denominator. Simplifying further, we get 1 plus or minus the square root of 9 over 2. Now we can start finding the roots. Here we get 1 plus 3 divided by 2, and here we get 1 minus 3 divided by 2. Simplifying this expression, we get 4 divided by 2, which is 2, and 1 minus 3, which is -2, divided by 2, is -1. And these are the roots of this quadratic equation.